brows are sisters, not twins, and sometimes they're even cousins, and that's okay. Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm a pro makeup artist, and I'm gonna show you how to create super fluffy, pretty brows using two products. So I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown Precise Brow Pencil in warm, dark brown, and I'm gonna use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So starting with the Precise Brow Pencil from Bobbi Brown, it actually has two sides to it. It has a spoolie brush side, and it has an angled little pencil on the other side. I actually really like to warm up the pencil by drawing a few brush strokes on the back of my hand. So I'll always start by brushing the brow up. And when it comes to brows, I always start at the tail of the brow. The reason I do this is because our hands tend to be heavy when we first start. So it's easier to start out with a heavier hand on the tail of the brow rather than on the inner corner, because that will bring the face upward rather than pull it together. Similar to her brow natural hairs, I'm gonna just start filling in on the outside corner, always starting at the tail, just where she needs it, just in little sparse areas. So I'm just feathering off each little brush stroke. And notice how I still haven't gone close to that inner corner. I'm focusing on the tail. I find that that makes the brow the most natural looking. Sometimes I'll go in as I'm doing it and use the other side. That's what's so great about this pencil. It has the brush on the other side. And then here, what I'll do is very lightly just fill in little hair strokes. If you ever feel like you pressed a little bit too hard, just go to your brush and just brush it out. It's like your little blender tool. I think it's important when you're doing brows to just step away from the mirror a little bit and see how it looks from the bigger picture. Now we're gonna set that brow in place using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is a really great brow gel because it's a little bit sticky, which I like, and the actual applicator has two different sides to it. If you want it to be a little bit more longer lasting, you'll use this side that has more brush strokes on it, and this side is a little bit more flat if you want to press in with the gel a little bit harder. I'm going to use this side that has longer hair strokes on it. We're just going to set her in place so it doesn't move all day. This 24-hour brow setter also does not flake, and it doesn't create any sort of white residue, which I love. And sometimes I'll just take my finger and press it down, make sure she's laid flat. And that's one beautiful fluffy brow. Gorgeous. I love these brows. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create these really cute, super fluffy brows, and you can recreate them at home. Don't forget to subscribe to IPSY with the link in the description box below.